Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello, all. Today's topic is a message for the citizens of the United States of America. This message really highlights the word unity. I'm going to go into detail here. We, as the American people, are journeying through a presidential election almost like no other. We have found out that Joe Biden is the president-elect of the United States. But sadly, many people have been divisive instead of desiring to be unified. Well, it doesn't matter who the president of the United States is. It doesn't matter who is in Congress or holds a seat on the Supreme Court. The problems that are staring this nation right in the face will fail to be obliterated if we fail to unite. Too many times our ego and our pride gets the best of us, and we fail to listen to others, but would rather be selfish and cause a feud in our relationships while the problems we face continue to grow and destroy. We must, as a people, search and locate the truth. Well, you may ask, what do you mean by when you say truth? It is the roots issues in our nation. We must, secondly, sacrifice our differences. Thirdly, find a common ground. And finally, act as a unit to mend what is broken in this nation. We must sacrifice our egos. We must sacrifice our pride. We must lay down our side of the story for a little bit and just listen to the ones that we are having a conversation with. Because a nation that is broken will never be mended if the citizens living in it fails to unite. I'm going to say that just one more time because I don't think you got it. I said a nation that is broken will never be mended if the citizens living in it fails to unite. When desiring to heal issues in our communities, heal issues destroying our inner cities, heal issues destroying our nation at large, heal issues destroying one ethnic group or many ethnic groups, whatever the case may be, we have to sacrifice what maybe we would want, or sacrifice the solution that maybe we have drawn up in our mind. And maybe we can sit down with one another, even if we just agree to disagree. We can still sit down and enjoy lunch or dinner and still have a great relationship with that person. Folks all across this nation disowning this one because they're a part of this party, disowning that one because they're a part of this party, this family disowning this one because they voted for that person or that candidate, or this family disowning someone in their family because they voted for this candidate. It is sad and it is embarrassing that we live this way. Why don't you just sacrifice your ego? Why don't you just sacrifice your pride for once and listen to somebody else? And lay down the issues that you both are experiencing. Find a common goal and act. So the issues in this nation that are destroying people can be healed. May this be a call of unification for our great nation. No matter who is in office, may we work as a collective unit and attack the problems in our nation so that which is broken can and will one day be healed. I thank everyone for their precious time and their precious attention. If you haven't already, please like this video, leave a comment, your thoughts. Please subscribe and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified when I post another video. I want everyone to have a blessed day, and as always, until next time.